Well. Good morning. Good morning. What a wonderful morning here in Salem. So getting some sun today. So I guess we can go river today. You know, today we got a special guest today. For most of the dream team, you know, who've been watching me from the longest time, you know this familiar face and know the popular name, you know. So I got a special guest today. Stay tuned for that special guest. So remember, please, Keen Life in Jamaica, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. If you haven't put the thumbs up while you're watching this vlog in the morning, please put the thumbs up. You know it goes already. It's the golden rule. Put the thumbs up, you know, help the program grow. You know, let YouTube realize, so okay, they're liking this video, something must be good, you know. So once you put the thumbs up, that's what it signifies to YouTube, so we can help get the audience them to go out there to meet new audience. So that's how it goes here in the YouTube world. So thank you so much for watching. So as I'm saying, we're down here meeting another a viewer who watch the program. You know, they invite us down here. So we're down here by Salem. So we're at the back street of Salem. So yesterday was, as you can see, was a lot of rain. Today, wonderful, so wonderful day. Today is nothing but sun. As I say, we got a special guest. You know, I already know the face, who's been following me from the longest while, and you know his popular name. Also, you're gonna meet him soon. Dream team, one team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So this is how beautiful it is in the morning air. Well.
Yes, sir.
Well, so you ready? Din.
What's going on, Kino?
Oliver, boy. Every time that I mention when I'm in here, I said Oliver brought me here. Oliver brought me there. You notice right through the video, I said Oliver let me know here. So this is Oliver, but where's Carla? Should I go look for her under the car again like the last time, Oliver?
Carla's good, man.
Yeah, man. So Oliver is here finally. You know, he's the man let me know about this side of town. You know, and as you know the face and you know the name, you know you haven't seen him in a while. But here is Oliver back.
No, you're the person that's showing me around now. Huh?
Hey, I'm still learning.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah, I'm still learning. So here is where yesterday I was walking by the front there. I was walk and talk, and then I met one lady, but I never know she lived around this side as well. She was walking same time. And we'll start to talk as well, to start to chit chat and everything. And she's a big woman. Yeah. Okay. She's a big woman. So she was buying. She tried to get some money, but she never get any. So she was buying some like birds and stuff for she and her husband. And I ended up saying, let me pay for your breakfast and thing, and end up pay for the grocery for her. Right. I would end up walk as well too, and I never noticed she was coming the same direction. And she ended up went into this lane right here. Was so close to me as well too. She was so close that she started to tell me that them dependent pension and all them stuff, you know, they really get no support. So I told her I'm going to visit her in the morning, you know, where I can actually buy her some things for her to have breakfast. Because she lives right there in the morning. And she said her husband got a stroke, you know, so he can't really do anything.
Alright, so you're going to check them before you pull out?
Yeah.
You want to check them now or when you're done?
Alright, come on, we can go check them. Hopefully she's there. You know, so it touched me because the way it happened, I was just walking and talking and she was like ahead of me. But while I'm walking and talking, I catch up to her and she's just walking like, you know, someone just feeling down.
Right.
And then she was so polite with me and everything. So I decided when we go to the shop, she followed me to the shop. So she was picking up some stuff. So I said, let me pay for it for you, like how you was just walking and talking and not knowing that she was going through her struggles as well too.
Yeah, it's rough, man. Rough for a lot of people.
Rough. I never know around here, everybody's so polite, you know. We easy greet you and everything.
It's not Kingston, you know?
Yeah, that's what the man said in the video. The man said down here is not like Kingston where you have borders and everything. So this is where she lives. This here. Morning. Morning. Come in, Oliver. This is where she lives. Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Sonia. Miss Sonia.
Yes.
That's the husband?
Yes.
Finally you're gonna get to meet him. So come, this is my uncle. Oliver.
Uncle?
Yes.
Your face smells strange to me.
Hello.
Oh. How about now?
No, it's strange.
That looks strange.
No?
You think we met somebody? Maybe you saw somebody that looked like me.
Where you belong to?
You mean, I don't live in Jamaica. It's like,
Oh, okay.
You look like someone, you know.
Yes, yes.
Morning. No, come give you a hug, man. How was your morning this morning? Sonia.
Sweets up.
Sweet sir. I'm going to meet your husband.
Yes.
Hello. Can I come in?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Kino. How is everything?
The value given and want to buy grave.
Yeah, they find no grave, man. No grave.
Yeah, the want to buy grave.
On top of the grave.
Commission.
So when that mean no.
Yeah, walk. The want to buy it.
Okay, so you say.
You know, no only the figure your grave.
Okay, so you say the ground is the grave.
The butter, when the hill was the grave. The want to buy it.
Oh, yeah,
The want to buy it.
that's where you go under when time. I understand. How is everything though?
Trying to, you know. Alright. So far.
Because you know, because I'm a person sometimes, but my program that I do, I help out people.
Okay.
You know, I try my best to give them a helping hand whenever I can, you know, and I was passing by and meet your wife, you know, and I like her spirit. So I tell her that I'll come by today and hopefully I can, you know, give her a little change to provide a breakfast meal, you know. Because we're only here staying with a friend for a couple of days, so I don't mind. You know, Oliver, this is her husband here.
How you doing there? How you feeling?
Alright. You know, so he's the one that got strokes, right? How many strokes you get now?
He got a stroke and then seizures after.
Oh. 2011.
He got it in September and come around quite good. January. During the January I got the seizure and that's the seizure that messed me up.
Yeah.
That's where you're going, dog?
Barbados. Wow. Because I want to get you some.
You eat them or you just have them there? Do you eat them?
No, I don't eat them enough.
Back in the
Other
days.
persons eat them,
You
but
just
I
keep
don't.
them as pets?
Yes.
You don't eat the eggs or anything?
No. The eggs are very small.
Very small.
So you just
Crush them.
You know, when I was younger, we used to eat those. We kill them or roast
Still eat
them.
them now, but I don't.
okay. Yeah, you just like having them as pets, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Roast them when we was younger. Roast them. Mine, I want to bring you around there to buy you some groceries and stuff where you can, you know, have something here in the morning. So, you know, so how was your morning though? Is it good?
Yes.
You have breakfast already?
No, not yet.
Not yet. I'm gonna get you some stuff. You know, what you normally look after in the morning?
Like sometimes bread, sometimes porridge, banana.
Oh, you make banana porridge too?
Yes, plantain porridge.
Plantain porridge. Yeah, man. So.
Oats porridge and
Okay. You see the pumpkin leaf them? Is that pumpkin leaf, right, Oliver? No.
Sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato. Oh, it look like pumpkin,
because
sir.
she told me.
They're like, what?
Sweet potato.
It look like pumpkin leaf.
Yeah.
Yam and okra.
Okay, alright, Oliver. Alright.
She told me.
Yeah, oh, you tell him. See?
I'm gonna check out the okra right now.
Oh, check out that okra. Cause he said it like he know it long time, you know. But he know this stuff, you know. He know this.
You know what, Keita, I'm trying to impress you first, then
Yeah.
see the truth afterwards. You see the okra right there?
Got some okra already. Yeah.
The one right there.
Yeah.
The one right there.
You used to have the okra there on the farm as well. So it's a sweet potato?
Sweet potatoes.
Yeah, that's sweet potato.
So where them under the ground, right?
Yeah.
So how you know when it's ready? You search or it come up?
No.
You have to dig them up.
Or you have to dig them up?
Just like dasheen or yam.
Okay. So how long them you normally take for ready? When after plan?
You have to ask.
Oh, 4 months. Oh, I have to ask you this one. I'll not gonna know that one.
I told you, I didn't know. I thought they were pumpkin.
Yeah, come see it look like pumpkin. It definitely look like pumpkin. Wow. And the Barbie dove here and everything. You know, you see I have your little own comfort zone.
Yes.
You know, you chill out.
Yeah, but that's, we're living up the top
This
here.
is sweet supper, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So,
That one there already.
really?
Uh-huh.
Why don't transfer them? You just keep them there?
Because if the thing you're maca, you have to take it out here.
Oh, true. It's
So
in
you
the
need
mac.
help is what you're saying.
Yeah. Oh, cause it's in the maca pan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So that would have to come out cause the maca trees there. We'd have to use a stick to brace it out and everything.
They use this as what? Compost?
No, for pigs.
Oh, for the pigs.
My friend across there have some. They save it for.
This is what? Plantain?
Barbie dove. Barbie doves, yeah.
Turmeric. I think it's turmeric.
Turmeric, this?
That's how it grows.
So
Where's the turmeric?
Oh, you get
The
the
ginger
turmeric from
underneath. Ginger.
Oh, from the oil, from the root.
Yeah.
Or is this a turmeric tree? Yeah. It look like a.
But this is too young though.
Yeah. That is young.
So when you get turmeric from the root, you
This dried on. This dried on.
Oh,
Okay.
dry all the way down.
and then you don't grow back after you pull after you take out the you don't like take pieces off, right? You just get the
Yeah,
whole
you can
thing
take it out and replant it.
off. Some of them will grow back. Turmeric. I wouldn't guess. It looked like a young banana leaf.
Yes.
Wow. It look like a young banana. I wouldn't know that's
I
turmeric.
remember buying turmeric, but I've never actually seen the tree
See the
before.
tree, yeah.
But this is the same thing.
Yes.
So when this die and dries up, then you know it's good to.
Ready.
Okay.
Uncle,
Right.
you the walker in? Are you a walker?
No, the person leave this bag and gone out the road.
Okay, you must see the walker. Let them have a lot like a plant in here. That look like aloe vera. What's that over there?
Yeah.
Is that aloe vera?
Not this one here. There's the aloe vera.
What is this one? Looks up.
Flowers.
Is this a flowers?
Yes.
Oh,
See the aloe vera over there.
yeah. Oh, aloe vera, but it looks spiky. Like you know the one aloe vera?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright then, so I'm gonna make you get ready and we'll come and we'll just walk by the shop and get you some stuff from by the same supermarket then.
Okay.
Okay? So you can come and have some breakfast.
Okay.
Alright? So you want to exercise, Oliver?
A little bit, but not too much.
Too much. Yeah.
No, you have to do it in there.
No, well, you know, unless you want to drive.
Yeah, we can drive around there.
Yeah, you want me to come and pick them up?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just you coming, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem, sorry.
Right, then we'll bring the car down.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get the ice.
Yeah, we'll get the car and come, okay? I'm to think of that one. Ginger. Ginger.
I wanna explain something to you, alright?
Yeah.
One-on-one.
Alright.
Let her go for me. It holds
Hot, right? Yes, sir. So you normally get your bread and stuff. What do you normally get? The all green rice. All green rice. That can go through there? Yeah, I'll go through. That probably just bring it. Well, Dream Team and team. Remember, please, if you're watching here, put the thumbs up so we hear it. Miss Sonia, you know, grabbing her some stuff where she can look out for her breakfast, you know, helping out the situation, you know, while we can, you know, like how we're moving up. Oliver! You! I'm right here. Oliver! In your hat, not your type of weather, Oliver.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, to adjust.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go down to what is it called? Rock's Bar or something and get some breakfast.
You see, Rock's Bar, Oliver teach me another place. So whenever I wanna come, I know Rock's Bar.
Rock's Bar.
Rock's Bar.
I forgot the name, but you'll see when you get. You're gonna buy
Yo, Indian man.
Imagine I know so many places already.
Call him.
Stop that train.
General, all is well.
Where is this from, please? What?
Oh, this is all I do the veggie chunks.
Black beans last night. You love it now.
I know we get love it with beef.
Like it?
Yeah, the black beans. I'm telling you, from Oliver teach me that when I go black, I never go back. Last night, you know, I had some spice to it. I had my carrot, I had plantain. I cut up some plantain in the night and
Put the plantain in there?
yeah, the ripe one, I slice it up in night. Fine. Black beans?
Oh,
Black beans. Have I eaten black beans before? See?
not like that.
Oh. And the thing is, I'll explain to them, and I ever black beans, I got taste the same. Some of them different, but the Gaia one, that is the one. It wasn't the same as the Gaia. What was it we say on that? The black beans is the best. The carrot, the plantain, the seasoning.
Oh, look at the restaurant.
Right.
like about 500 for this?
I don't even know.
About?
I don't even know. Yeah, price.
You're tempted to drink one.
Cool one. Cool one.
You want to
Yeah.
check out Bob Marley place too?
Where is it? In OT?
9 miles.
Oh, 9 miles. Alright then.
That's
Come on, do as much. Oh, bro.
Brownstone way.
Oh, is that way?
By the police station?
No, you turn by the police station and go on it.
How far the police station is on there?
How far?
The road there?
Nearby.
Uncle, listen.
Nice. By where?
Just out there, park the road.
Okay. How the road over that side?
It's good enough. Yeah.
I haven't been up
Might
there
have
now
a
in a
potholes
minute. That's
going
where
up.
Bob Marley born.
Okay.
That's where
And
grave is.
a Portland?
No,
Bob Marley?
born at 9 miles.
9 miles.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's where his body is up there.
Okay.
That's where the tomb is and everything.
Yeah, you forget that. You forget that. I think we can
That's
go.
about what? About 45 minutes drive up?
I think more than that. Then you have one Brownstone.
Okay, Brownstone. You go with one to us.
Maybe you can map it.
I think.
Your people and the people would love that.
Yeah? We have a lot of checking out to go on down here. You see, without Oliver, we wouldn't know some of the places. And like Oliver is the map. He's the map.
The Green Grotto Cave. When the British attacked the Spaniards, there is a cave from the Green Grotto that go to the ocean. That's how they escape from the British.
Okay. Okay, we call him?
Green Grotto.
Green Grotto.
Yeah.
They never tell them thing in a school or Oliver. You know?
It's across from the Ultimate Jerk.
Okay.
You know where the Ultimate Jerk is? But Green Grotto is this way that way. But Green Grotto. It's on that. Kind of confusing stuff with it.
Yeah. Ocean, but that's a history.
Rosa. The White Witch of Rosa.
Ever heard about it?
A lady that from the slavery time. You never heard of her?
See? And you never heard of it, right? See?
Sir, you ever hear of the White Witch of Rosa?
Oh, you know. You know. I'm sure we probably had it close to it. But in a school?
Yeah, friend, I got school. I go up there.
Okay, well, I never get that in my school still. Yeah, I never get that one. Yeah. Maybe in a older generation, but other generation, them start to teach something else.
Younger one.
Yeah, see? Younger, them start teaching something else. Eh? Yeah, yeah. So, Ella, you know as well, Mommy? White Witch of Rosa? Yeah?
What you say?
Know about the White Witch?
of Rosa. You ever hear of that?
Okay, yeah. Because maybe the elder people them will do.
Yeah, man.
Don't it? Yeah. So the younger generation never really teach you that moment. So Oliver, you have to stay with me, okay?
Yeah, I know it's not you, you know.
Yeah, so it's what the teacher them a teach us after a while. Uncle, blessed love. This is what the teacher them a teach the younger generation them after.
When we talk to younger Jamaicans, try to
More likely, they're going to go check. So where's can drive two same, eh? Either way. Close it. Go on. So how long now you been married to your husband?
We got married in 2005.
Oh, 2005.
And he got the stroke 2011.
6 years down the line.
Yes. And then because of the situation with his not able to work again. And things like that. The rent was a problem.
Okay.
So we thank you. So I applied to Food for the Poor.
Yeah.
And a friend of mine leased me here. He was in England, but he's now later started England. And the daughter in Kingston, she now is responsible for the land.
Okay.
So Food for the Poor gave us this. And then it is still small, so a friend got some material and put on another room around here.
Okay.
We still have windows and stuff to use in it and tomorrow.
Okay.
God is still good.
Yes, God is still
We're
good.
not paying any rent. We pay like this lease a year time.
Okay.
Like January.
Oh, every January. Well, you know, I'm like, oh, I'm glad I could have helped out with something, and it was nice meeting you. But you will see me before I leave this community, you know. You definitely see me before. Yeah?
Yes.
And just continue to see me, keep praying, you know. Almighty is always there. Uncle?
Yes. Alright,
yeah, man. Take care, yeah? We'll see you again now, right?
Alright, sir.
I'm not going now, I'm still there, yeah, so I'm still come check up on to see you and see how you're doing, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thanks very much.
Yeah, man. Blessed Lord. Blessed Lord. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Alright, blessed. So, yeah, I will. Yeah, man. So, give thanks, you know, give thanks, dream team and team, you know. Remember, so we're going to hit the road now, you know. We're going to hit the road, so it's time to take on some road. Alright. Well. And we got the Mongo.
Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica YouTube channel. Please be sure to subscribe to his channel. Leave a comment. Let's get to know what you think about today's video. And thank you so much for supporting Kino. And if you don't know me as well, please check me out on YouTube, D Mwango. I also do travel videos and I'm from Kenya, but now I'm a Kenyan Jamaican.
Sharkies. You can get fresh fish there.
Right next to Sharkies. For them catch them.
Yeah.
Catch. Oh, look at the chef inside. Blessed uncle. Blessed. Are you the chef over here? Yeah. So what time you start chef up? Okay, so now you're not the chef. Are you catching fire? Washerman. Oh, you're the washerman. Oh. The washerman. And here's where them have a big fire.
Yeah.
See. What them do over here? Jerk?
Yeah.
Jerk chicken?
Yeah.
And pork? Yeah. Big fire. So what time them start do that?
Now I'm not doing them today.
Oh, you're not doing any today? So this is the fireside. What's that? The pimento wood? Huh? Button gum. Button?
But them take it, put it on the pork.
Oh.
Pork on it.
Okay. Wow. Yes, guys. So we're here at Rocks Barrow. You know, So I know one more spot again, Roxborough. As you can see, Roxborough Village. So here is called Roxborough Village. You know, we have a lot of banana tree here. Over here is very cozy. Breeze is nice. You know, and the sea is right there. So imagine come here chilling at Roxborough. So it's very lovely here. Over here you have the beach. You know, where you can come and swim. I guess over here you have the river. So what's this like? So the same thing here. What's over here? What's this? The river? Is this a river? A runoff. Oh, so this is a runoff as well to a run and meet the sea over there. It's a runoff.
Oh, not big.
No.
But people can do some fishing.
Maya slip there. There's fish in there. So yeah, don't slip in out the edge. So there's fish in there.
There's fish in here.
Yeah, there's fish in there.
Some big ones. So I guess it run go out here, so
Yeah, it's a lake park.
yeah.
So this is fresh water, that's the sea water.
No, these are the river water, right?
Yeah.
The river.
This is like the runoff. I don't know if there's a gully attached to it, but you know, when it rains, this is where they run off into this. If you walk along the beach, you're gonna see a lot of this kind of stuff.
Okay.
A lot of this. Just
Okay.
all along.
Okay.
Sometimes you can't
the
see it
other
because they run them under the road.
Oh.
As you know, wherever the water comes.
Sea shot. So this is what it's like here. You know, this is what it's like. So it's see the sign. See them notice them a border. Yeah, them a border, and this is what it says: dangerous area. Enter at your own risk. So I don't know how dangerous is this, why them said that. If you have an alligator, crocodile, shark, or what? Oh, that's what them said. Dangerous area. So it's called Roxborough.
Rundown. So how did it get the name Rundown?
I don't even know, you have to ask Oliver.
I don't know. Actually, I know they use coconut milk, so you have to boil it down.
Oh, okay.
Usually, when I was younger and I made rundown, they usually put the coconut milk and it boiled down until the oil started
The show.
to show up. And I gave it a little fry. White name rundown, I couldn't tell.
Run down. Yes, guys, so we just finished breakfast.
So
And you know, we're heading out. Of course, you know, we're heading out. We going D?
The falls, Dunn River Falls. People are like, D, you need to go to Dunn River Falls.
I know.
So today,
They've been saying it in the comment section so much.
yeah.
So Dunn River Fall, Dunn River Fall, Dunn River Fall. So Dunn River here will come.
I gotta find this.
Yeah.
Where's the milk to find it?
remember, whenever you come here, you have to have a water shoes to climb in the fall. Or if you don't have one, you have to purchase one inside. You know, so I brought mine, you know, also, and Lee brought hers. So that is the policy here. You cannot climb the fall without a water shoes.
And so, guys, I'm going to put on my
Jamaican
bikini. I love it. Actually, I bought it 10,000 Jamaican dollars. Jamaica is expensive. This for 10,000 Jamaican dollars. That's like 80 US dollars, right? So yeah, let me put it on.
Well. Oliver, we're here again once more.
You know how we do?
We're here once more. What a beautiful day, you know, the sun is out, so so I'm gonna get changed as well, guys. So you know, it's time to go climb that fall. It's time to climb that fall. Yes, so change and ready for the fall. I'm changed and ready for the fall, so you know how it goes already. So we're gonna head down to the fall, guys. So we're gonna take into it. So you know, Dunn's River. Woo! Somebody's stealing a car. Yeah, man. So Dunn's River is well fully renovated. You know, it's very fully furbished. It's looking wonderful. It's not. Most of them probably not been back to Dunn's River for many of years. So maybe in your time it was different from how it is look right now. But now it's fully furbished. It's fully different from them times till now. Now it's a total different Dunn's River fall. We are on our way now to the fall. You know, we already get the tickets them and everything. So you know, so the tickets them, you know, resident is $1,000, which is about $7.
Big bucks.
Yeah. So you know, say if you're a non-resident, it's $25. That means you're special.
$25.
That means you're special, right? In our country, so you pay the special price, which is $25 for entry, right?
Me a foreigner.
And call me a yardie. You know, so if you haven't get your Jamaican documents yet, go and get it. So whenever you come in Dunn's River, you can show it and say yes.
Get your Jamaican passport.
Yes. Yeah, don't leave it. Cause Oliver leave him one, so you have to pay the extra. You know, so you know how it goes already.
You guys want to get water shoes, waterproof phone case, shorts or towels, and swimwear?
Yes, shorts or towel. So we're here at Dunn's River Fall Park. So here is where they got all the craft stuff and everything.
Yes, it's good like that.
What my auntie?
I don't know. I'm giving thanks, darling.
Giving things.
Yeah, I'm just even a little lunch, you know?
So can I get my little lunch too?
Yes, you can.
You can, so you're gonna buy it for me?
I don't know what you need.
Alright, swim around. And your fish food. Why you laugh? Show me the swim around.
I put him on camera?
Yeah. Tell them to say you eat decent, so you go up well decent.
I got to do.
No rice grade, no drop. Not even one.
You know, easy, you know, it's easy.
And she eat the jerk.
No, it's a bake.
A bake. So it's a baked chicken.
With white rice.
Oh, normally they bake them more red with pure ketchup on it and everything, right? So be honest, all this taste.
It's like Jamaica style, you know?
All it tastes, what a 10?
What a 10? 8.
What? Not bad. So if you have a restaurant and then grade you at 8, what do you say?
I'm doing well.
Doing well.
Yeah, man.
So I guess that place is doing well,
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah,
so,
man. That's came from the Eden restaurant.
Where is that inside here?
They're located right here at the Dunn's River Falls and Park.
Okay.
A matter of fact, the world famous Dunn's River Falls and Park. Yeah, so this is the craft market that, you know, is a part of the Dunn's River Falls and Park.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, man, where you can get nice food, nice souvenir pieces, you know,
Everything
nice
you can
clothing
think of.
items.
As you can see,
Yeah, man.
as you can see, if you come here without a swimwear, we got swimwear here for you. You know, they got shoes, them have, you name it, all the craft stuff. You have the crochet, swimwear, them, everything over there.
Waterproof phone case, you name it.
Everything.
Yeah, man.
So So if it,
US dollars price.
It just depends on what you want.
We sell in Jamaican dollars, but you know, a lot of people think when you give the price in Jamaican money, you know, it sounds an awful lot. So
so
we quote it in
dollar.
All the time money.
How much for the rasta?
You need water shoes?
something like this. This one right here, that's $120.
Turtle,
$120 American.
the turtle walk. He's trained. Yeah, look at this nice.
Well, you know the price is negotiable. Yeah.
Okay.
I say something, you
So
say
the craft market here, you know, once you enter Dunn Fall, if you don't come here with a water shoe, they will provide you, you have to purchase a water shoes.
Don't come back with this one, it's too old.
Yeah, so you cannot climb a fall without your water shoe. So,
That turtle already in.
so you gotta upgrade it then.
This?
No, your shoe.
Yeah, yeah. Just so don't bring this back.
So you gotta upgrade it. D. D Mongo. Come here 1 minute.
Come before me.
Yeah.
But Philippines, if you go to
Yeah. Move it. Oh, so that's where it ends then. Go around and come back there.
it's not far.
It's not far. So I start from there, go around there and come back.
I think the one that hits the counter might be better.
Yeah. But I'm telling you, so the one down by Wires Fall, hey. It's like wires go all the way up, you know, and that one there shoot like a rocket come all the way down. So see there? Yeah, so we're back here again. You know, here's where last time was here with Oliver and Carla. The last time here's Oliver
And Hero.
Mother Teresa and Natisha.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last time when he was here with Hero, Mother Teresa,
That was a good night.
yeah, Natisha, and me, myself, and I.
And we'll end up at Sharkey.
Yeah, Sharkies. Whoa. Go on this side. Overhead. You said we never give up. Alright. So we're down. So this is where it starts from. You know, to come all the way down where the river meet the beach. So you start from the beach side, make it way up to the river side. So here we are at the beach, so that's where the river, that's where the river come meet the beach, right here, right in the middle here. As you can see. Hey, what a flip, not alive. What a feel. Whew. So you see where it be? Cool, oh. Ah, this is a cold now. This is where the cold begins. Whoa, feels already. Hey, this is cold.
Cold! Too
Feel it.
I'm shivering already.
Hey.
Can we cross over?
Yeah?
Can we cross over to the other side? Or it's too deep?
Is it too deep? No?
We can cross? Oh,
Can walk.
cross somewhere. Let's go to it.
So you have the river meet the sea. So the river meet the sea, meet the sea, meet the sea. Well. We're down here. Fall. Put your phone in the case.
with your face. Okay. Wait, let me go up. Let me go up. So, that's why you have to get a tour guide. Wow. Mind your legs. Walk on the white rock. The white one, dark ones are slippery. The white one, you're good, man, you're good. Good morning, the white brush, the female. Oh, okay. White one, you're good. Look at me, hey. No, see. Huh? Oh. Can't go in the same now. Ronaldo! Eh? Go back to bed? Use your phone. Turn on the phone. The phone, use the phone. The quality will still look good, see me. Use the phone. I can't see clear. The quality will still look good, see me.
Come on down. Hey, left, down.
That come down?
Put your butt on the rock,
Feel your foot, feel it. There's gonna be a rock here. Yeah? Yeah, go on. Go on up.
every day.
Yeah, man, respect.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes, man, respect.
Thank you as well, man. Thank you so much for watching.
Good.
Yeah, meet my subscribers. Hey, hey. Big up, big up. We're gonna see. I met my subscribers. Let's go over there. I hope.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.